Guys, so I have another haul. It's been a little bit since I did one, and I know I keep having these periods of time, but I have one for you. This was an order that was purchased during the TPC sale, the planner collaboration sale that went on from the 11th through the 15th of April. So I just got this from TheCraftyStudent, and I want to show you guys what I got. So I'm going to dive right into it. Here are the freebies from all the shops. Here is TheCraftyStudent. This one is Beyond Paper Flowers, Perfect Prints Co., Cheerful Planner Girl, Tilly B Plans, So Cute Planner. This one is Jenna B Studios. Sorry guys, haven't really looked at these. And then Coffee Break Planner. And now TheCraftyStudent order that I got. I actually used my PR code, so this is actually more of a PR order, but I got this during the sale, so that's why I got the freebies. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So these are actually new releases that were during the sale: speech therapy, occupational therapy, and behavior therapy. I got some of these in the rainbow scheme. And then I got some new stuff and some repurchases. Start tracking my sleep. So I got this. This is in the colorful. I believe there's neutral and then colorful. So black or colored ink for the word sleep, basically. So you can do your hours, minutes. I got these to do individual versus having big boxes in my sidebar. I just figured just put that on the daily page. Then I needed more bill due stickers. I just finished up the ones that I had from Planner Keat. And it's a repurchase, but new. These are the countdown stickers. This one is for summer break. The last ones I got were the colorful scheme for spring break. And this time I got rainbow for summer break. And then I repurchased Game Day and Girl Boss stuff. This is actually a custom header, and I got it in the rainbow scheme. And now on to kits. I have 4 kits here. I have the same sheets for each kit. So I'm going to show you one kit of what I got, and then I'll just do a fast forward through the other ones. So for all 4 of the kits that I got, these are actually in a weekly or mini kit. I believe all of them are. But these are from the actual kit. These are a la carte, and then she brought back the functional for me. Thanks, Sarah. So I got the full boxes, and then they also come with these little flags. I did do something a little different. I usually would only have gotten these 4, but I ended up getting this because I like using these, and I thought it'd be easier just to get this because I figured out what I might want to do with the checklist. So I got the checklist sheet with the 2 weekly and then some icons here, which I will most likely be using some of these icons here. So it's that. And then I got the little things. And then the date covers. So it comes with 3 bill dues, the date covers with the date dots, some checklists, skinny checklists, and then a bunch of different headers, which this is, I'm so glad that she's doing it like this now, because I think I'm going to do my sidebar a little differently and actually use the majority of these. And then the functional. You get 4 half boxes, or 8 half boxes, 8 quarter boxes, and then you get 4 like larger appointment boxes, and then 4 skinnier ones, and then more flags. So this one was called Blossom. I'll show you and up close the full boxes. Again, a flower cannot blossom without sunshine. These are ones I'm going to be using for the month of May. So I'll show you each of these, and I'm going to speed it up, but I will have the name of each one on the box. Alright guys, so that is what I got. Some repurchases, some new releases, which 3 out of 4 of these were actually new release kits. So yeah, I got all this to play with. I just need to go and print off my May insert, which if you don't know, I use the Any Plans printables inserts. I use the 3-column daily, weekly, monthly ones with habit tracker, though I don't use habit tracker anymore, but I'm thinking I might for the month of May, but we shall see. So with that said, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very shortly. I hope you enjoyed today's haul, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, give it a like, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!